more folks to join us this morning. Thanks for your patience. Take your time and settle down. There are a couple of speakers who are on their way, stuck in the Gurgaon traffic. So I'm hoping they'll be here in the next 5 minutes.
Welcome to the workshop on revamping Gurgaon's electricity sector. We're just waiting for some of our guests, and we'll start within 2 to 5 minutes, so please be seated. Thank you.
On behalf of Gurgaon First, I welcome you all to the workshop on revamping Gurgaon's electricity sector. It is very heartening to see that we have an extremely diverse and relevant participant mix from top electricity companies, including electricity supply companies, solar companies, technology companies, as well as RWAs and industrial users, Gurgaon Task Force members, NGOs, and electricity consultants as well. First, a short brief about Gurgaon First. It was almost 6 months back when Gurgaon First was born. As citizens of Gurgaon, we were firm believers of the fact that the city had a great potential to improve if somehow we could pool in the collective strengths and wisdom of all its stakeholders, the residents, the associations, the RWAs, the corporates, and NGOs. That led to the creation of Gurgaon First. Gurgaon First has 3 broad focus areas, and these are promoting infrastructure improvement, sustainable technologies, as well as promoting inclusive growth. We've come a long way since. Our first conference, also our flagship conference, called Gurgaon as a Smart City, was held in September 2012. It helped in engaging all stakeholders of the city to fix priorities and discuss the next steps. Our next conference was on finding traffic solutions for Gurgaon, which was held 2 months later in November 2012. There have been very big and positive outcomes from both the conferences. Key recommendations in the form of white papers from these conferences have been presented to the authorities for action. Our third workshop, held in January this year, launched our Thought Leadership series, where Dr. Kiran Bedi was the keynote speaker, and the topic was Making Gurgaon a Safer Place for Women. As a logical outcome of this workshop, a helpline for women in distress called Damini has been launched by Redco Haryana. I congratulate Colonel Prithvinath for this. Now we come to the very important agenda of this workshop, which is revamping Gurgaon's electricity scenario. The big question is, why can't Gurgaon enjoy cheaper and more reliable power like our neighborhood friend Delhi? To be sure, the grid price of the electricity in Haryana is hovering around ₹6 per unit. And when mixed with the backup DG set power that costs ₹12 per unit, energy costs both for industrial and residential consumers are getting steeper by the day. The other question is, why can't at least some areas of Gurgaon be given away to private operators under the franchisee mode? After all, franchisee mode has been so successful in some of the other cities in Haryana, in India, like Bhiwandi and Pune. And the next question was, Gurgaon has been selected as one of the solar city by the center, but very little action has happened on this front. Also, Gurgaon has been left out of the Smart Grid Pilot Project initiative. These issues form the core agenda of the workshop. We have an action-packed schedule for the day. There are 4 distinct sessions during this workshop. These are View from the Top, Electricity Trading Possibilities, which will be followed by a tea break. Our next half would be dedicated to smart grids and use of technologies for operational turnaround and encouraging solar, followed by lunch. I would advise speakers to stick to their time limit of 12 minutes and delegates to keep their questions short and relevant during the question and answer time. We have some top-notch speakers from electricity majors, technology companies, solar and private energy companies. In delegates, we have a diverse group from corporates, RWAs, and NGOs. Before closing, I must thank our partners and supporters of this workshop, and this workshop wouldn't have been successful without their support. Gurgaon Renewal Mission is our organizing partner for the event. Gurgaon Renewal Mission is part of the DLF Foundation. Our lead sponsor is Moser Bear Solar.